Here I have these glass screen protectors. I'm actually going to unbox them today, show you what they look like. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me these so I could go ahead and unbox them and give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package. I'm going to be unboxing them today. As you can see, they do come sealed like this. So toughened glass film. So these are supposed to be HD clear, anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch, and bubble free. So let's go ahead and open these up. So they come in like a little box like this. Just gonna go ahead and open them up. Very, very nice. So I could already see that everything that you need comes in this box. So this looks like what you want to use when you're applying it to go ahead and take out any bubbles. So it does have this. You also get a quite large number of the wipes. You get the wet wipe and the dry wipe. This is going to go ahead and help you prep your phone before you install the screen protector. So you do get quite a bit of those. In here you do get a total of 3 camera lens covers. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up on that. So these go on the camera lens. You want to go ahead and place that, and it does have like the little holes, the cameras, and it does give you the instructions on how to properly put this on your camera. But let me go ahead and show you. You could see it's a thick glass to go ahead and protect that camera. So you do get a total of 3 of these. You get a little bumper. So you could go ahead and make sure that you are aligning your screen protector correctly before you install it. So you want to go ahead and place this on top of your phone. This is going to act as a guide. So you could go ahead and put the screen protector on your phone. Next, you do get these dust absorbers. So this is going to be the guide sticker. You want to apply this to the screen protector. So it could go ahead and act as a guide. So you want to go ahead and apply it to the edges as you are installing the screen protector. And then this is the dust proof. Before applying your screen protector, you want to make sure that you remove any dust particles. Sometimes when you wipe your phone, you will see like some tiny little specks of dust. So this is just going to ensure that you're going to grab every single little dust particle before you put your screen protector on. So I do like that that was included. And then you get a total of 3 screen protectors. So I'm going to go ahead and take one out just to show you what it looks like. And they are covered with this little plastic. Take a look. And then it does have this. It says, please peel off this mask before application. So once you're ready, you wipe down your phone with the dry, the wet wipe, and you have it aligned with the little bumper. You could go ahead and now place this over, go ahead and peel this off, and then you want to go ahead and install this on your phone. But take a look. It's actually a pretty thick glass. So I love these glass screen protectors. They help protect my phone screen. So if in case I ever drop it or anything, I do like that this takes the shock before the actual screen. So I love, love, love using these glass screen protectors. And as you could see, it is pretty thick. So this definitely helps. And then last but not least, you do get a step-by-step manual to go ahead and show you exactly how to properly install. So you can go ahead and get the best results when you are installing your screen protector. But overall, if you're looking for some good screen protectors, a 3-pack, this is perfect. It's totally affordable. It is a great quality, great material, and everything that you need is included in the kit. Overall, I would definitely recommend.